Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in.
Do you want to get logged in J.Crew Bank? Then just watch this entire video because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is really simple. You just need to open your browser and search for the keywords J.Crew Bank login. After that, click on the first link that redirects you to the login page. In the search result, find the link and click on it. After clicking on this link, the interface of the web page looks like this. Just wait for it, it's loading, and this is the official web page. Click on the sign in button and you are again redirected to the login form. Here you have to fill the username and password in order to get logged in. Make sure your credentials are correct. If you forgot your username and password, click on this button, else simply click on the sign in button, and if all the credentials are verified as correct, you'll be logged in J.Crew Bank.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.